Hello everyone, what if I told you these mini Chinese tools are delivering serious performance without destroying your wallet? Stay tuned because the last few tools are so impressive, you'll wonder why you didn't buy them sooner. Number 1. Imagine getting showroom level shine without paying professional detailing prices. The BATOCA cordless car buffer polisher features a brushless motor, dual rechargeable batteries, and 6 adjustable speed settings for complete control. Whether you're polishing, waxing, or removing swirl marks, this compact machine handles it with ease. Its cordless design gives you freedom to work anywhere without tangled cables. Number 2. Seeing heat with your smartphone sounds futuristic, but this gadget makes it a reality. The Thermal Master P3 transforms your phone into a powerful thermal imaging camera capable of spotting electrical issues, heat leaks, and overheating components. With impressive image resolution and macro vision capabilities, it's perfect for DIY repairs and professional inspections. Its compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere. Number 3. Who says welding equipment has to be huge and expensive? This portable handheld welding machine packs serious power into a surprisingly compact package. Featuring advanced IGBT inverter technology, it delivers smooth and reliable welds while remaining lightweight and portable. It's ideal for home repairs, metal projects, and workshop tasks. Number 4. Crooked shelves and uneven frames become a thing of the past with this laser level. Its bright green laser lines provide full 360-degree coverage, making alignment projects incredibly simple. The self-leveling function automatically adjusts for accuracy, while the included remote control adds convenience. Whether you're renovating a room or hanging artwork, this tool saves time and frustration. Professional-level precision has never been this affordable. Number 5. Precision matters, and this digital caliper delivers it at a bargain price. Equipped with a large LCD display and multiple measurement modes, it allows accurate readings in inches, millimeters, and fractions. It's perfect for woodworking, jewelry making, 3D printing, and engineering projects. The smooth sliding mechanism ensures reliable measurements every time. This is one of those inexpensive tools you'll find yourself using constantly. Number 6. Don't let the size fool you. This little chainsaw is an absolute beast. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers impressive cutting performance while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. It's ideal for trimming branches, pruning shrubs, and tackling small woodcutting jobs around the property. The cordless design provides excellent mobility and convenience. For homeowners and gardeners, it's one of the best value tools available today. Number 7. One screwdriver replacing an entire toolbox sounds impossible, but this kit comes close. Packed with 74 magnetic bits, it handles electronics, furniture assembly, bicycles, and countless repair tasks. The ratcheting mechanism speeds up work while reducing hand fatigue. Everything is neatly organized inside a compact carrying case. It's the ultimate budget-friendly repair kit for DIY enthusiasts. Number 8. Simple tools often become the most useful, and this hot glue gun proves exactly why. It heats quickly, delivers consistent adhesive flow, and includes plenty of glue sticks to get started immediately. From school projects to home repairs and creative crafts, it handles a surprising variety of tasks. The ergonomic design makes extended use comfortable. For such a low price, it's an incredibly practical addition to any workspace. Number 9. If you've ever struggled cutting foam cleanly, this gadget changes everything. Using a heated blade, it slices through foam materials with smooth and precise results. Model makers, crafters, and DIY builders will appreciate the professional quality cuts it produces. Multiple blade options increase versatility for different projects. It's a specialized tool that delivers surprisingly impressive performance. Number 10. Removing electronic components can be frustrating, but not with this clever tool. Combining a soldering iron and suction pump into one device, it simplifies desoldering dramatically. It heats quickly and efficiently removes solder from circuit boards. Electronics repair enthusiasts will love the time it saves during projects. This affordable gadget makes advanced repairs much more accessible. Number 11. Need soldering power without electrical outlets? This cordless butane-powered kit has you covered. It heats rapidly and includes multiple tips for different applications, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're repairing wires, working on electronics, or performing field repairs, it delivers dependable results. The adjustable flame system gives users precise control. It's a professional-grade tool hiding behind a budget-friendly price tag. Number 12. Over-tightening bolts can destroy expensive bike components in seconds. This precision torque wrench eliminates that risk by ensuring every bolt is tightened correctly. The click-type mechanism provides clear feedback when the desired torque is reached. Cyclists and mechanics alike appreciate its accuracy and reliability. Considering its quality, the price is surprisingly competitive. Number 13. This isn't just a soldering station. It's practically an electronics workshop in a single device. Combining hot air rework, soldering functions, power supply capabilities, and voltage testing, it handles a wide range of repair tasks. It's especially useful for circuit board work and component replacement. Despite its extensive feature set, it remains remarkably affordable. This tool offers incredible value for electronics enthusiasts. Number 14. Tiny enough for your keychain, but packed with functionality. This multi-tool is seriously impressive. It includes sharp scissors and several useful everyday tools inside a compact package. Whether you're traveling, camping, or handling quick fixes, it's always ready when needed. The lightweight design means you'll barely notice it's there. It's one of those gadgets that constantly proves its worth. Number 15. This miniature powerhouse can sand, polish, engrave, drill, and carve with ease. Featuring multiple speed settings and dozens of included accessories, it's incredibly versatile for DIY projects and crafts. The USB rechargeable battery adds convenience while keeping the tool portable. Despite its compact size, performance remains surprisingly strong. It's the perfect example of how Chinese tools are delivering huge value at tiny prices. If you enjoyed discovering these amazing budget gadgets, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next tool roundup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.